South Texas just got hit with nature's wrath. We're talking winds that turned towns like Sinton and Aransas Pass into a real-life disaster movie. Power lines down, homes damaged, but listen up, the danger's not over yet. Those fallen trees, they're ticking time bombs for more power outages. And don't even get me started on the fire risks. But here's the deal, we're Texans and we don't back down from a challenge. We've got a chance to turn this mess into a comeback story. If you've been affected, there's a silver lining. You can get a free site inspection for your damage at mayhemmitigation.com. Let's do this, Texas.